Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. In today's video, we are talking about how to make a pre-flight and landing checklist. Pilots have a checklist that they have to follow to the letter in order to successfully and safely take off for their flight. This reminds me of how we as humans need to do certain tasks before taking off for our daily flight. If the pilot forgets a step, the plane could crash or not take off at all. The same goes for us. In order for us to have a safe and successful day, we need to follow each step in our morning routine to have a successful rest of the day. And the landing is equally as important. The pilot has to safely turn off the plane in order to get off and go home. If any steps are missed, the results could be dangerous. This really hit home for me when I noticed my mental health starting to decline over the last year. I often felt out of control and like I was simply floating in space with no direction. Starting and ending my day with specific rituals creates a routine and a system that allows me to have a more successful day, and shutting everything down and quieting my body and mind before bed will help me get better sleep as well. Separating work from leisure is so important with many of us working from home, so this system has been helping me separate my day into time blocks so that I can be more focused in each area of my life. How can you create this system for yourself? Let's dig into it. Think about your morning. What are the things that you absolutely have to do? Brush your teeth, get dressed, wash your face, shower, take vitamins. Now think about the things that you can add to your morning for your mental and physical health. A quick walk, maybe journaling. Write all these things down and you have your list. It can really be that simple. Of course, I had to take it up a notch and open up PicMonkey to design a cute little list for myself. This list is available on my Etsy store if you would like to download it for yourself. If it's cute, I'm more likely to use it. This is the draft of my list. Once I decide if I need to make any adjustments, I will edit and laminate it. The idea is that I will physically take this list from room to room with a dry erase marker to check off when I do each task. It seems silly that we would need reminders to brush our teeth, but sometimes you really start off on the wrong side of the bed. And if you're anything like me, waking up is difficult and my brain is already foggy. So why force myself to remember every little thing when this list can tell me? This list also has a landing column. Turning off the laptop and switching to evening mode is essential. This helps to get better rest, which will make your days better. Some of the things that you can include on your list are meditating, drinking water, exercising and stretching, making your bed, brushing and flossing your teeth, taking vitamins, showering, getting dressed, reading 10 pages of a book, gratitude list, journaling, emptying and loading the dishwasher, fertility tracking, maybe doing a load of laundry, skincare routine, affirmations, a financial check-in. It's important to have things on your list that will make sense for you. Your landing checklist could include things like packing your lunch or planning your meals for the next day, taking an evening walk, laying out your clothes for the next day, things that will help make your morning even easier and that signal to your brain that the workday is done, that it's time for you to get into restful mode. What's on your pre-flight and landing checklists? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis.